Hey, cuz, what are y'all mad for? Hey, what's up, man? Hey, we got pups available. Hit me up. Feed me. Alright, guys. I got dogs to feed. Catch y'all at the video. YouTube. South Cat fan, what it do? It's your boy Quill, and you're checking in at South Cat Kennels. And before we get all the way into this video, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Coco! What's up, Coco? It's just something about that little guy right there. But that's my guy, though. I like all you guys. I wish I could keep you all. Coco! Hey, Coco. Before we get all the way into the video, man, I want to thank my boy Chris and John for picking up their boy yesterday. Well, yeah, yesterday. And also, shout out to my girl Kay. I will be dropping her video in here of her picking up her pup. What? But yeah, we're gonna get to a 5-week update on these pups, man. Catch y'all at the next scene. Alright, there she goes. The got Star picking up. Yes, sir. She named her Star. You gonna do a kennel? You gonna breed her or anything?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna breed her a couple times.
Couple times?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, let me get the papers. Hey, cuz. What are y'all mad for? You dirty. Look at Miss Tub. Look. What? Oh, that girl right there is fire. I might keep you, girl. Huh? What? But you gotta get a bath. Y'all mad about that? You gotta get a bath so you can be clean, dirty. Excuse me, you can get clean. What you got on your face? That girl bad too. That girl bad too. What you got on your face? That's a flea, I think. Come here. There you go. They awesome. I don't know. I think that's a boy right there. Yeah, that's a boy. But them some bad bitches over there. I already took the other ones out. What? Catch y'all next time. Alright, guys. We are back. You know, we got to drop them on this table. 5 weeks on. Y'all ready to see these pups? We're going to start with the males first, only because I know everybody wants to see the females. So just remember, this litter is Chanel times Rocco. Go check out the old videos to see those guys. And let's just go ahead and bring these pups to the table. Come here, Chunky. All right, there you go. This is Lilac Try. See if we can get him to move around. Hey, boy. He is available. All these pups are available, guys. Only difference with the males is this boy right here will be going for 25. Hey, come here. Hey. Yep. Lilac Try, y'all. Hey. Hey, look. Gotta get them on the table so you can see how they look, man. Man, these pups look so good, I ain't gonna lie. I wanna keep one off this litter. Let's go to the next male. Let me try to remember who's the next male. I think it's you with the long stripe. And I was right. Long stripe. Yes, sir. We have lilac. Lilac. White. You got a white chest? Or you just... You got a white chest? Hey, man. Your feet wet, man. Just clean that thing out. I want to say he's the smallest out of everybody. Well, he might not be. Yeah. So what's up, y'all? I'm available. This boy right here is 2,000. Lilac. Lilac. 5 weeks, 5 weeks. This boy is available. All right, let's start with the girls. Hey, little girl. This little girl right here reminds me of Foxy Brown. She has Foxy Brown colors. I want to say she is a smut. Hey. I'm gonna have to clean y'all out again. Y'all making me have to clean that pen out every day. Kizzy! Look, Kizzy in the back. That's mom towards the 8-week-old pups that I have. There you go. This beautiful girl. Girls are going for 25. Better jump on them. They're gonna go quick. Girls in the last litter went quick. All I have is boys left in that litter. All right, let's go to the next girl. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna save y'all the last one that I'm thinking about keeping. And with this litter, man, it's like almost everybody got smashed muzzles. We have another lilac. Make sure you're female. Female, yep. I know my pups. I know my pups. Come on, look at the camera. See? I'm available. She might come get me. Look at the camera. She's so cute, y'all. All these pups came out cute. That's one thing I want to do with my camp. I want cute dogs. I'm sorry, you know, I don't really care about color, but I want nice, structured dogs with a cute face. Ain't that right, cute pie? Hey! You know. Alright, let's go to the next girl. Ooh, you know what, y'all? It's 2 that I'm thinking about holding on to. Y'all better jump on them now. These are my first picks, and I'm not even charging higher than what most people would choose for. I mean, pay for first pick. This girl right here, man, she just does something for me, man. I like her. I don't know if you can really tell from. She has a real smash mother. I just like how her face looks. I like how your face looking. Let the world see how your face look. Hey. Oh, don't keep eye. This girl is available. You can hit me up at 803-463-49. Whoa, 23. Or go on to IG. South_cat_kennels. What? What you want? You hear me talking? Face the camera. Face the camera, not me. I want to stay here. I know you do. I kind of want you to, though. Look at that. There we go. There we go. I got her to calm down. So I'm in love with this girl. Let's get to the next one. Next girl, where you at? Wait, you sleeping? Get up. Get up. Chunky monkey. This is a greedy little thing right here, man. This is a greedy one. What? Look that way. Y'all look at her. She is so beautiful. Another lilac. Loving this girl, man. Loving her. Better go ahead and jump on her before I take her. Say, you can stay here with me. I love you. Here it is, guys. Last female of the pups that are available. Better get at me. Get at quick. Girls going quick for some reason. I got some pretty girls over here. These some bad bitches. Alright, remember these 5 weeks, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And catch y'all at the next video.